And our last question of the day, Lauren asks, my 18-month-old son wants to be so independent and private. He sometimes throws a fit when I assist him by pulling pants down or holding the urinal close to him. There are times I know he needs to go, but he will sit on the floor crying and eventually pees. Yeah, because he's having a fit. We just now started catching more, still have so many misses. He finally understands where he needs to go. It's just getting him there and going. Lauren, what I would do for you, I would do a potty training experience per my tiny potty training book, full on, as if you've never done any work with him at all, because what he's missing is how to get to the toilet. It also covers pushing down the pants and other things where it can make him more independent. Or you can do, if you have my other book, Go Diaper Free, in the book owner section is the hybrid plan. So a 1 to 2 day naked teaching experience could be helpful. The other thing is, it sounds like the pants are in the way. So if you don't want to do all that, I understand. I would probably, I support you in that. You might want to remove the pants from the situation while you're at home for a few weeks or months. So have him pantless, turn up the heater, put on some leg warmers if you need to onto him. By the way, baby legs, I always give this code to people. Babyleggings.com. I get all my leg warmers here. And if you use the code GDF15, you can get 5 pair for just the cost of shipping. I am an affiliate of theirs, but I also own like 50 pairs of their leggings because I think they're great and they're inexpensive. And you can get extras for $2 a piece. So I would dress for success right now. Yes, you're welcome. Those leg warmers, I love their designs. They're so awesome, Natty. So use it. It's really it's a good deal. I would have to say, you need to remove the pants from the situation right now, Lauren. So put a potty where you play. Put the potty where it goes also. So have 2 potties, mini potties. And when you start to notice pee-pee dance, or it's his timing, either put the potty behind his legs and say, okay, sit. Or just say, go put your pee in the potty. Bring your Tetra with you. Go pee in the potty. Okay? So pulling down the pants doesn't get in the way, and you don't have to help him at all. And you say you're using a urinal, so I'm assuming you're doing a stand-up peeing situation, in which case, let's have the pants off already so he doesn't have to fight against that. And you bring him into the bathroom and say, would you like to pee in the urinal or on the mini potty? And give him a choice so he feels like there's nothing to resist against.